Welcome to the final episode in this series on planning a vlog. In our previous two videos, we covered creating an outline and a section plan. These are the first two steps of our three-step system, which we recommend following to help get you well on your way to creating engaging quality vlogs. We suggest viewing these first two videos before you watch this one, but don't worry, you can find them linked in the description box below. If you are familiar with outlines and the section plans already, then great! Let's move on to our third and last step, the final script. The final script is pretty much what it says it is. This is the final planning stage before you shoot your video. You've already gathered information for your vlog in your outline, and you've decided at point you want this information to be used in your video by creating a section plan. Now, you can use these first two steps to easily write your final script. You may think that because you have got an idea of what you want to say and where you want to say it, you could just go ahead and shoot the vlog without one. But there really are benefits to formulating a final script in advance. Writing a script for your vlog offers direction, and it can ease any nerves you may be feeling about getting your message across, because you don't have to think too much about what you're saying. You've already done that bit off camera, so all you will have to do is read it. If you are reading from a script, you're less likely to forget any important information you wanted to include in your vlog, and by having something pre-written, you can also add cues which may prompt you to remember an action or gesture in the final shooting. Let's get on to the how. So just like with the step 1 and 2, a cloud-based service is the most efficient and effective way to create your final script. Google Docs is great as any work will be automatically saved and accessible from any smart device. So if you are not going to compose your script in one sitting, you can carry on with it from any location as long as you have internet access. By using a cloud-based service like Google Docs, you can easily transfer your script to teleprompter, which can really help with shooting your vlog. Teleprompters mean you can read from your script whilst looking directly at the camera or viewer, or at least seeming like you are looking at them. Think newsreaders or TV presenters. When they are speaking and looking at the camera, they are almost always reading from a teleprompter. But from the viewer's point of view, it all looks very natural and almost unbelievable how easily they engage with the camera. This adds a personal and natural feel to a video, and also means you don't have to be shuffling around a bunch of papers. Obviously, it's not a must to use a prompter in all or even any of your vlogs, but we thought we would mention this little trick of the trade. You're welcome. With your completed section plan, you should have a good idea of how to structure the information for your script, but when transferring this information from your outline to your final script, you will want to consider how it will sound. It's important to establish an approachable and friendly tone of voice. Try and keep your script conversational as if you were speaking to just one person. This will help engage your audience and create a more personal feel to your vlog. Begin with some sort of introduction or greeting. Let them know who you are or what your vlog is about. A great way to engage your viewers at the start of a vlog is to make a statement or pose a question designed to pique their interest. Always remember to give context and guarantee that you will answer this question or offer a helpful solution or opinion with the video. Don't overcomplicate your script. Keep it as long as necessary and as short as possible. Remember, you want to engage your viewers, not put them to sleep. Or perhaps worse, encourage them to go back and click on someone else's video. I know. Just like we mentioned in our outline video, Google Docs allows you to add comments and highlight text you may find helpful when performing your script on camera. If you are planning to overlay other footage and images, or transition from speaking in front of the camera to another shot, then comments are also a great way to add cues to remind you or your video production team to add these features to the vlog. These second overlay shots are often referred to as B-roll and can really elevate a video to a new level. Finally, you should be sure to read your script back to yourself or someone else out loud. How does it sound? It may read well on paper, but when you're actually saying them, they can sometimes seem jerky and wrong. It should sound and feel natural. So, ready for a recap? The final script is the last step in the planning a vlog process. It's a combination of the information in your outline and the structure of your section plan all rolled into one final piece conveying your message to the viewer. It should be informative and engaging with a friendly conversational tone. And that's it. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how to go about planning a vlog and can see that creating an outline, section plan and final script really break down the planning process into easy and manageable bits. All that's left is for us to encourage you to take the first step in creating your own video content. Well, the first step and then the second and the third. For more related content, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. Good luck and see you soon, guys.
Hi, my name is Peter Wolf and I am the CEO of VlogOn. If you are someone who is thinking of building a career or perhaps a successful business boosted with vlogging, then we highly recommend you to pop over our website and check out our online courses that we've created just for you in this subject. There you can learn our exact methods that we use to create our streamline of videos. It is a well-detailed, practical workshop where you can learn everything you need to know about the planning process of a successful vlog post, regardless of the industry or niche you're in. Link in the description below. Use coupon code CAMEFROMYOUTUBE to save 10% off.